Sailing vessel Elegant'sea here with our Beta 38 diesel engine in sailing vessel Elegant'sea. It's not quite December, end of November. Paradise Village Marina, and we just got through burping the motor. And I take this and loosen this cap and get some air and antifreeze out after I've changed the antifreeze. So as you can see, it's kind of a mess, but here's our accumulator tank. I don't know if I've done one of these videos before or not, but here it is. Here's our accumulator tank, and that's because we run the water antifreeze through the water heater. Here's the return to the engine valve from the water heater, actually from the accumulator tank. And then we have another one that we put in, excuse me, over here. This one actually has a check valve in the engine here, so the water can't come, antifreeze can't come back into the motor. We had a garden hose left over from our dehumidifier, which broke this summer. To get a new one. Anyways, it's running good, looking good, running 10-10-10, you know, 10 for get it up to temperature, then 10 minutes in forward, and then 10 minute reverse. I'm not sure we're going to get out this Wednesday. It's supposed to rain, but we're supposed to go on a breakdown cruise or test cruise out onto the Banderas Bay, make sure everything's working, including our sails and all. So that's it. It's running pretty smooth, pretty quiet. Got about 830 hours on it, just kind of a guess, 800 and something hours. And that's it. We'll be off to Seawall in a couple of weeks here. Elegant'sea on the side.